If your iPhone screen suddenly turns red, it may be related to the color filter or other system or hardware problems. Here are the specific reasons and solutions, sorted by operation complexity, so that you can check step by step. First, check for accidental settings changes, open settings, tap accessibility, display and text size, and disable color filters. If it's enabled, especially red or green filters, your screen may appear unnaturally tinted. This often happens if you accidentally triggered the accessibility shortcut, triple pressing the side button. To prevent this, revisit accessibility shortcut in settings and uncheck color filters. If the red tint persists, try a force restart. This resets temporary display driver errors causing the red screen. Next, update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates. Outdated iOS version can trigger display bugs, especially on iPhone 13 or 14 OLED screens. If basic fixes fail, MagFone iOS System Recovery addresses system-level issues without data loss. Select iOS System Repair, Standard Repair Mode. Download the recommended firmware and click Start Repair. In minutes, it fixes corrupted display drivers or OS conflicts causing the red screen. No factory reset needed. You can also connect to iTunes or Finder via computer and select Restore iPhone. Note, this operation will clear all data, so be sure to back up in advance. If red lines, spots, or persistent tint remain after software fixes, check for physical damage, cracks, water exposure. Visit Apple support or a certified repair center. Common causes include loose display cables, faulty OLED panels, or damaged logic boards.